now I believe you must have seen how the pocket was cut and how I have sewn that area. So in case you did not watch carefully, so this was sewn on that V-like angle, right? It was folded this way and then stitched all through this way, then cut off the edge here. Did the same thing on the other side as well. This other side, cut off the sew that way and cut off the edge, and then folded with your steam iron in this form. The folding must come in this form, and then that 1 inch that we folded or we added on the drafting, we now fold it to come down this way, right? So now you stitch all through from this point. So stitch all through from this point. Stitch all through from this point. So once you have arrived to this point, now the next thing to do now is to start fitting it on your fabric, on your outfit. So here, this is my prof I'm using to fit. Let me just show you how to fit this. Then place it down in this form, and then you open up this edge. You open up this edge just like this. So start from here, right? Start from here and make sure that this is clapping properly as it should. So start from there and then stitch all along. Stitch all along this line. Stitch all along this line. Stitch all along this line. Go all through to this point. So you can see how simple and how nice this type of pocket is. So if you derive value from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Ask your questions in the comment section. I will be going through them to answer and to entertain your questions, right? So stitch all through these very points. Stitch all through these very points, and then you come all through this way. Make sure it is properly balanced. So stitch all along, stitch all along until you get to the very point, and then after that you can now bring down this way and stitch something of this nature. Now make sure it's properly sewn. Make sure it's properly sewn all through this way. So this is what we have. Then do the same thing on the other pocket edge as well. Just watch to the end of the video. I will show you how to put both the cover. So stitch all along this way. This can be half an inch or quarter of an inch. So stitch all along this way. And this is how end this. So let me prepare the cover and then come to fix it as well. So now this is the cover. The cover must be the width of the pocket you have, and make sure that the edges are properly tucked out, just like this. So bring out the edges properly. So once you have gotten the top stitching done, let me reduce the cover a bit. So the cover is also, the size is also your choice. You decide on how to put it. So here, after that, then place the cover in this form, just like this. Top stitch half an inch first, thread all through this way. After this, then cut your threads, and then fold it down in this very point. Fold down this way, and then top stitch the top. So this top stitching is to help seal the edge there. So top stitch all through this way, and after this, so this is what we have. So I believe you enjoyed the illustration. So do well. So this is what we have. You see how simple and neat the pocket is. You see the effect of the combat coming out nicely. So this is what we have. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and drop your questions when necessary. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next episode of my illustrations. So this is a rough, right? Bye bye for now.